This is the competition at MRO Americas, where aviation maintenance teams from around the world come to test their mettle. Spartan was proud to compete this year, with our Broomfield team led by instructor Mark Fajardo.
I teach aviation maintenance and mechanics. What we're doing right now is showcasing our talents as a school so that they can show what they have learned. I'm very competitive. I brought forth a team of 6 that were also competitive spirited. We started last September or so, maybe October, preparing on the 27 different events that would take place here.
Events are timed, challenging not only the team's knowledge, but their execution and problem solving under stress.
Not only did we practice for, an hour and a half per session, they also got a booklet which had each one of the individual events laid out per the instructions that the judges are looking for here as well.
Judges watch closely, monitoring progress and making sure the rules are followed.
This competition, I feel, is a stepping stone to a brighter future for them. It shows that they have what it takes to make it inside of this industry, and it shows that they are a driving force. Aviation technicians are probably one of the most premier type of technician you'll find. It takes a dedication, takes a willingness to know and learn. It also takes a level of preparation to decipher what is really going on inside of the systems. I think this is a great place for these students to be at this point in their lives.
Our Broomfield team did an amazing job this year. We're thankful for the opportunity and can't wait to come back.